In this video, we'll be taking a look at light linking in Maya. This is the ability in Maya to control which lights affect which objects in your scene. A highly useful tool. It's great for being able to light portions of the scene without affecting the rest of the scene. In our camera view, if we take a quick render, we'll see that we have a fairly well lit environment. For the sake of argument, we'll pull out this strawberry as being just a little bit too dark on this side. And we'll want to create some more lighting on this strawberry without affecting the rest of the objects in the scene. We'll first start by adding another light directly onto that strawberry. Take a look in our perspective view to figure out where the front of the strawberry is. And we'll go to Create Lights and we'll create a spotlight. Let's go ahead and zoom out and we'll see where that spotlight is. I'll press T for the special manipulator tool and we'll start positioning that light right onto that strawberry. We'll want to get into the dark area of that strawberry, which is right where it meets the table. Get the target right there, and then we'll move back the light and create a little bit of a head-on angle for that light. We'll adjust its cone angle to give it just a slightly thinner appearance. Let's go to 25 degrees. And let's go and take a look at our render again. We'll put this in the buffer and we'll render the scene. Should notice quite a bit of light coming in. Well, our intensity is very high. We'll go to about a quarter of what we're looking for. Now I only want to render just a little bit so I can see what's going on without having to render the entire scene. I can do that by merely dragging a red box and pressing this button, or you can always turn on auto render region. Doing that will allow you, every time you create a box, it'll automatically render that. With that option off, simply create the box and press the render region button. Let's render the whole frame and take a look at what's going on in the scene. If we compare it to the old, we see that we're getting a little bit more light on the strawberry exactly as we wanted, but there's light on all the other objects, which we don't want. Let's put this into a buffer and we'll take a look at the light linking relationship window. Under Window, Relationship Editors, we'll open light linking and we'll use the light centric version of the window. In this window, on the left hand side, you'll see the lights in the scene. On the right hand side, you'll see all the objects. If we select the strawberry that we have in question, we'll see in our outliner that it is strawberry number 1. In our relationship editor, we know the spotlight 5 is the newly created spotlight that we have here. Let's take a look and make sure. Indeed, spotlight 5 is the new one. When you click on a light in the relationship editor, in the light linking editor, you'll see that all the objects light up. That means that that light is affecting all the objects in the scene. Matter of fact, all these lights are affecting all the objects. Simply put, when you select spotlight 5, merely turn off all of the objects that you don't want in your scene to be lit by that light, except for strawberry 1. We can turn all these off and just select strawberry 1. Now when we go to render, we'll see that our one strawberry has lit up. Let's go ahead and you see all these objects do not have that extra light. Let's take this out of the buffer, and this is our strawberry lit up and nothing else in the scene is being lit. This is accomplished through light linking. In this video, we took a look at the light linking window, where we can attach a light to a specific object in the scene and have that light only affect that object.